So here is Telehealth app, online doctors, diabetes care. So this is one of the most popular apps in this category. 500,000 ratings. This app is quite popular in USA. This health connects you with complete care at your convenience at an affordable cost. You will find what you need to get well, like 24/7 care, alongside primary care therapy and programs proven to keep you well. Um, they claim themselves to be a leader in the telemedicine. With our app, top quality doctors and data driven programs are just a tap away. So, this app is kind of like a marketplace where you can just find all the doctors and just book doctors, find some programs, chart your goals, and then, yeah, you can just open up the app and then you just need to either sign in or set up your account. You can also find your benefits from here. So yeah, definitely one of the most popular apps.